Today I'm going to show you Google's brand new AI mode that just dropped, and it's absolutely insane. This thing can book your dinner reservations. It can plan your entire weekend. It can even browse the web for you like a real human assistant. Google just rolled this out to over 180 countries, and when you see what this can do, you'll understand why this changes everything. So, Google posted on X saying we're bringing more advanced agentic and personalized capabilities to AI mode. And when I saw what they revealed, this isn't just another chatbot. This is what Google calls an agentic AI system. That means it can actually do things for you instead of just giving you answers. Let me show you exactly what this thing can do because it's going to blow your mind. Google says AI mode can help you find and book restaurant reservations. But here's the crazy part. It's not just searching for restaurants. It's doing the actual work for you. You tell it something like, find me a dinner reservation for 3 people this Friday after 6 p.m. around Logan Square. And watch what happens next. The AI goes out and searches multiple reservation platforms at the same time. It checks OpenTable, Resci, Talk, and other booking sites. It finds real-time availability, it compares your options, then it gives you a curated list with available time slots. And here's where it gets really insane. It links you directly to the booking page so you can finalize everything with one click. Think about how much time this saves you. No more calling restaurants, no more checking multiple websites. The AI does all the heavy lifting, but that's just the start of what this thing can do. Google AI can also share anything you're working on with friends and family. You get a shareable link, and your contacts can jump into the AI mode response right where you left off. They can ask follow-up questions and keep exploring. Google actually showed this in action with people planning a birthday party. One person was asking about party ideas, and someone else jumped into the conversation asking, "What do you think of these?" He loves anything to do with planets and spaceships. This collaborative feature is perfect for planning trips or organizing events with multiple people. Now here's what most people don't understand. This isn't just about convenience. This is about having an AI that can browse the web like a real person. Google calls this Project Mariner. It's the same technology they use internally. This AI can understand what's on a web page, click buttons, fill out forms, and navigate through websites exactly like you would. This is huge because most AI tools can only read text, but this one can actually interact with websites. It can see images, understand layouts, and take actions on web pages. The personalization is insane too. If you search, "I only have an hour, need a quick lunch spot, any suggestions?" AI mode looks at your previous conversations. It checks places you've searched for in Google Maps. It remembers your preferences from past searches. If it knows you like Italian food and outdoor seating, it gives you results that match exactly what you want. And get this, Google says, results can now be tailored to your personal preferences and interests, starting with dining. The AI learns your taste over time and gets better at predicting what you actually want. This is like having a personal assistant that knows you better than you know yourself. But here's where it gets really interesting. This technology works because Google has partnerships with major platforms. They're working with OpenTable, Resci, Talk, Ticketmaster, StubHub, SeatGeek, and Booksy. That means the AI isn't just scraping websites. It has direct access to real-time inventory and pricing data. Soon this will expand to local service appointments and event tickets too. Google showed an example where you could ask, "Find me 2 affordable tickets for this Saturday's Reds game" in the lower level. And the AI searches across multiple ticket platforms, compares prices, and presents you with the best options all while you're doing something else. Think about what this means for your business. Instead of spending hours researching vendors, comparing prices, and making phone calls, you could have AI do all of that for you in minutes. Now, let me tell you how to actually get this and what costs money, because this is where it gets tricky. The basic AI mode is available for free in over 180 countries right now. You go to Google search and look for the AI mode option. It shows up as a button that says, "Ask anything" with a colorful circle icon. If you don't see it, you might need to enable it through Google Labs. But here's the catch. The free version lets you ask complex questions and get detailed answers. But all the cool new stuff I just showed you requires paid subscriptions. The restaurant booking feature requires Google AI Ultra at $249 per month. The business calling feature also requires a paid plan. The deep research with Gemini 2.5 Pro requires either Google AI Pro or Ultra. So while you can use AI mode for free, The game-changing Agentic features that actually do things for you cost serious money. The free version is basically a smarter search with longer answers. But here's why this is still a big deal even with the free version. This is different from every other AI tool because it's built into Google Search. The free version lets you ask complex multi-step questions and get detailed answers with sources. That means it has access to real-time information from across the web. The answers you get are current and comprehensive. But the real power comes with the paid subscriptions. That's when you get the agentic features that can actually take actions for you, like booking reservations and making phone calls. Another advantage is that Google AI Mode understands context better than most other AI tools. If you're having a conversation and you refer back to something you mentioned earlier, it remembers and can use that context to give you better answers. And because it's connected to Google's ecosystem, it can pull in information from Google Maps for location-based questions, Google Shopping for product research, YouTube for video content, and Google Scholar for academic research. One feature that blew my mind is what Google calls deep research, but you need Google AI Pro or Ultra to access Gemini 2.5 Pro model directly inside AI Mode. This is Google's most advanced AI, and it's incredible at complex reasoning and analysis. With the paid deep research, you can ask extremely detailed questions and get comprehensive reports with citations. The AI spends several minutes researching multiple sources and gives you detailed analysis that would normally cost thousands from a consulting firm. Think about this for your business. Instead of hiring expensive consultants or spending weeks doing research yourself, you could get professional-level analysis in minutes. The AI Mode also connects with other Google services if you have the paid plans. If you link your Gmail, it can use context from your emails to give better recommendations. Google showed an example where if you're searching for things to do in Nashville this weekend with friends who are big foodies who like music ahead of an upcoming trip, AI Mode can show you restaurants with outdoor seating by using context from your connected Gmail. Now let's talk about why this is revolutionary for business owners. Most AI tools are reactive. You ask, they answer. But Google AI Mode is proactive. It takes action on your behalf. It makes reservations, researches topics, and completes multi-step tasks while you focus on other things. This is what experts call agentic AI, and it's the future of artificial intelligence. Instead of being a smart search engine, these systems act like digital employees that can handle real work. For business owners, this means you can automate research, customer service, and complex analysis. The key is understanding how to use these tools strategically. Most people will use AI Mode for simple questions, but the real opportunity is in using the agentic capabilities to automate business processes and save massive amounts of time. Think about all the repetitive tasks you do every day. Researching competitors, finding contact information, comparing suppliers, scheduling appointments. AI Mode can handle all of this automatically. Let me tell you what's coming next. Google announced they're expanding these agentic capabilities to local service appointments and event tickets. Soon you'll be able to ask AI Mode to book your dentist appointment, find concert tickets, schedule maintenance for your car, and handle all those tedious tasks that eat up your time. The integration possibilities are incredible. As Google improves this system, we'll see connections to Google Drive, Google Calendar, Gmail, and other services. You'll be able to ask your AI assistant to schedule meetings, create documents, send emails, and manage your entire digital workflow. But the most important thing to understand is that this technology is available right now. Google AI Mode has a free basic version in over 180 countries, but the powerful agentic features require expensive subscriptions. You can start with the free version today. But know that the really impressive stuff costs $249 per month. So, here's exactly what you need to do. First, go try Google AI Mode yourself. Start with simple questions and work up to complex requests. Get comfortable with how it thinks and responds. Second, think about how you could use these capabilities in your work or business. Could you automate research, customer service, planning tasks? Third, experiment with different types of prompts. Try asking for step-by-step plans, comparative analysis, and detailed research. See what works best for your specific needs. The people who master AI tools like this will dominate their industries. The people who ignore them will get left behind. It's really that simple. Let me give you some real-world applications. If you're in real estate, You could use AI mode to research neighborhoods, compare property values, and find the best mortgage rates for your clients automatically. If you're in marketing, you could use it to research competitors, analyze market trends, and find the best advertising platforms all in one conversation. If you're in e-commerce, you could use it to research suppliers, compare pricing, and find the best shipping options without spending hours on different websites. The key is thinking beyond simple questions and answers. Think about multi-step processes that normally take you hours. That's where AI mode really shines. Now, let's talk about this from an investment perspective. $249 per month might seem expensive, but think about what you're getting. You're getting a digital employee that can work 24/7 without breaks. It can research faster than any human. It can make reservations and handle appointments automatically. If this saves you even 10 hours per week, that's 40 hours per month. If your time is worth $50 per hour, that's $2,000 in value. So even at $249 per month, it's paying for itself many times over. But more importantly, it's giving you capabilities that weren't possible before. You can't hire a human assistant who can research across hundreds of websites simultaneously and present you with organized results in minutes. The bottom line is this: Google just released the most advanced AI assistant ever created. It can browse the web, make reservations, and handle complex research automatically. The free version is available now, but the really powerful features cost serious money. This technology will transform how we work and do business. The people who adopt it early will have a massive advantage over those who wait. You have two choices. You can start learning these tools now and get ahead of the curve. Or you can wait and watch your competitors leave you behind. The technology is here. The opportunity is real. The question is, what are you going to do about it? So make sure you comment below and let me know what you think about Google AI mode and how you plan to use it. Now, if you want to learn how to use AI tools like this to actually make money and scale your business, I've got some incredible resources for you. First, check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We currently have a community of entrepreneurs who are all using AI to level up their businesses and increase their income. I also want to invite you to join my free AI Money Lab community. We have over 20,000 community members, lots of free AI training, and daily updates on the latest AI tools and strategies. The link is in the comments and description. The AI revolution is here, and it's moving faster than most people realize. The question isn't whether AI will change your industry. The question is whether you'll be ready when it does. Google just gave you the tools. Now it's up to you to use them. Make sure you subscribe because we cover every major AI update as it happens. The future is here, and it's time to get on board.